The students, the next part of the Green's function we are going to solve. What we got in the previous video is we have got as y of x is equal to 0, which is a trivial solution we got. Trivial solution. Okay. Now what is that given equation? We'll write once again. Y power 4 equal to 0. Y of 0 is equal to y dash of 0 is equal to 0. Y of 1 equal to y dash of 1 equal to 0. So this is the differential equation with the boundary conditions. We got as a trivial solution. Now when we got as a trivial solution, now we must construct the green function. Now since we got as a trivial solution, we now construct the Green's function. Green's function. We now construct the Green's function. The unknown, the function g of x comma z, we are going to construct. Now, what is that now? Consider the unknown function. Consider the unknown Green's function. Green's function g of x comma z. This is unknown Green's function g of x comma z as follows. Whichever we wanted to find, that we are taking g of x comma z as follows. Now like this we'll do. G of x comma z is equal to, like this we'll take the two values. Okay, a1 plus a2x plus a3x square plus a4x cube. Now we got y of x as a plus b bx plus cx square plus dx cube. Now this equation we got. So from here we have taken a1 plus a2x, a3x square, a4x cube. Under the condition is x greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to z. Now we are constructing g of x comma z with the help of this. So this is a1, a2x, this one. In the same way, b1, b2x plus b3x square plus b4x power 4 under x greater than or equal to z, less than or equal to 1. Okay, and this is, we are going to take this as, this condition I will take it as number 3 and 4, because already we have taken 1 and 2. Now we are taking as 3 and 4. Now these are, our aim is nothing but to find out the value of a1, a2, a3, a4 and b1, b2, b3, b4. Okay, now to construct the g of x comma j. Okay, now where a1 comma a2 comma a3 a4 and b1 b2 b3 and the b4 are unknown factors. These are nothing but unknown factors. We don't know the value of these are. So we can say they are called as unknown factors of xi. They are nothing but unknown factors of xi to be found. We need to find this all the values. So for that, what we'll take is, we'll take or put ck of xi. I am taking an equation which is nothing but ck of xi is nothing but equal to bk of xi minus ak of xi, for k equal to 1, 2, 3 and the 4. This is for every problem you must consider that ck of xi, this is ck of xi equal to bk of xi minus ak of xi for k equal to 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So from this equation only we are going to find out all the values of a1, a2, a3, a4 and b1, b2, b3 and b4. So before that it will have we get a system of equations. Now then we have the system of equations by using this equation, system of linear equations. I may write as linear equations, system of linear equations for finding the values of, we need to find the value of c1, c2 and so on, so that we will get as bk and ak. Finding the function ck xi as follows. Finding the function xi ck as follows. Now with the help of that we are going to find out now. So first, according to definition, we'll differentiate this one. We'll differentiate by taking ck, like c1 plus c2 xi, c3 xi, c4 xi cube is equal to 0. Then we'll try to find out by using the Green's definition. Now this is how we got. So you have to remember that this is the equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now I am just writing as c1 plus c2 xi plus c3 xi square plus c4 xi cube equal to 0. This is from here we have taken, from general equation we have taken to find all the values. Now this is the first step. Now we'll differentiate this one. If you differentiate this one, you'll get c2 plus 2c3 xi plus 3c4 xi square equal to 0. This is what we have, because n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4 we have. So n minus 2 is a jump discontinuity. So this is also a continuous. Next one 2c3 plus 6c4 xi is equal to 0. You can see 2c3 plus 6c4 xi equal to 0. To 2 into 6 we will get. Now you can see that this one, if you differentiate again, you will get only 6c4. You will not, from up to here it is nothing but continuous. Then next step it will be discontinuous. That is called n minus 1th step. That is 6c4 equal to 0. Next we will get 6c4 is equal to 0. But this is a jump discontinuity. After this there will be no value if you again differentiate. So what you are going to take, supposed to take here is, according to the definition or property, 1 by p naught of xi. That is nothing but 1 by p naught of xi is nothing but the highest power. This is nothing but degree. Y power 4. The highest derivative of the given differential equation is nothing but 1. So 1 by 1 is nothing but equal to 1. So 6c4 is nothing but equal to 1. So I'll make you understand once again. This is what you have to, in general you have to take the equation. ck xi is equal to bk xi minus ak xi to solve the system of differential equations. To solve the equation. So first we will find out the values of C1, C2, C3 and C4, so that we will get Bk and Ak. To find the values of Bk and Ak, we need to take a relation in the form of like this. Okay, so therefore I am just writing Ck, which is in the form of A plus Bx plus Cx square plus Dx cube. So C1, C2 xi, C3 xi square, C4 xi cube is equal to 0. Now I am differentiating this one. With respect to xi, so I may get C2, 2c3 xi, 3c4 xi square is equal to 0. Again I am differentiating this one. So 2c3 plus 6c4 xi equal to 0. You should understand, up to here it is continuous. Again if you differentiate this one, you will get 6c4, but 6c4 again if you differentiate, it will be jump discontinuity. Up to here it is continuous, but it is from here it is this. It's a jump discontinuity, means n minus 1th step. This is n minus 1th order. This is n minus 2 of order in the definition we have seen. So n minus 1th after order, you have a jump discontinuity. When you are going to differentiate, you must equate to 1 by p naught of xi. But p naught of xi is nothing but the coefficient of highest power of a degree of the derivative which is given in the equation, the highest order of the derivative, that is y power 4 is nothing but 1. So 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So 6c4 is nothing but equal to 1. When 6c4 is equal to 1, I may make use of that one. I'll write here in the form of like this. Okay, so therefore what I got is 6c4 is equal to 1 I got. So c4 is equal to 1 by 6. So I got c4 is equal to 1 by 6. Now when I got c4 equal to 1 by 6, I can substitute in this equation. So that you will get like this. So that will be in the form of 2c3 plus 6c4. 6 into 1 by 6, that is nothing but xi. Xi is equal to 0. So 6 gets cancelled. 2c3 plus xi is equal to 0. So 2c3 4 is equal to minus xi. C4 is equal to minus xi by 2. Now you got as C4 is equal to minus xi by 2. So sorry, This is C3. C3 is equal to. Now you got C3. So you got C4. Now C3, C4 you got. So I'll substitute the C3, C4 in this equation. So that you'll get C2. So therefore what I'll do is, I'll take the another equation, that is C2 plus 2C3, 2C3 xi plus 3C4 xi square is equal to 0. So C2 I should get. So C2 I'll write same thing. 2C3, C3 value is minus xi by 2 xi plus 3 C4. C4 is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into xi square equal to 0. So this two gets cancelled. C2 minus xi square I got 3 1s, 3 2s. So this is xi square by 2 equal to 0. C2 minus 2 xi square plus xi by 2 equal to 0. So C2 minus xi square by 2 equal to 0. So therefore C2 is equal to xi square by 2. Now you got as C2 is equal to xi square by 2. Now we'll substitute C2, C3, C4 in 1, you will get C1. So if I substitute all the values, so first C1 value we have to find C1 plus C2 we got as xi square by 2 into xi plus C3 is nothing but minus xi. So this is minus xi cube. Xi is already there. So xi square. So xi cube by 2. Okay. That is nothing but C3 xi square plus C4 xi cube. C4 is 1 by 6. This is nothing but xi cube by 6 is equal to 0. Now we are finding all the values. We got as C1, C2. C2 we got, C3 we got, C4 we got. Now C1 will get. C1 plus, this is xi cube by 2 minus xi square by 2 plus xi cube by 6 equal to 0. These two get, this is xi cube. These two will get cancelled. You will get C1 equal to minus xi cube by 6. Now you got as all the values. C1 you got, C2 you got, this is C2, okay, and C3 you got and C4 you got. You got all the values of C1, C2 and C3. Now we need to find out the values of A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4 by using this C3, C4, C2 and the C1. Okay, so therefore first I'll do it in the manner like this. So I may write here C1 equal to minus xi cube by 6 and C2 is equal to xi square by 2 and C3 is equal to, we got as minus xi by 2, then C1 is equal to 1 by 6.